Whoa! Guys, do you see what I see? Can the Batmobile handle this? There's also a metal Batman logo here. What is this? A fuel cap? Wow. This car is actually a two-seater.
How do we open it? Let's go find the key.
Hello? May I ask, is that black car at the entrance yours?
Yes.
What kind of car is that?
Batmobile.
This is so cool. Can I give you a little goldfish and you take me inside for a tour?
Really? Are you serious?
Really?
How many grams?
10 grams.
10 grams. 10 grams can be arranged. Here, take this thing.
What's this, out of power?
No, this is the key. Let's go.
This is the key, can you believe it, guys? So how much is this car worth approximately?
This car, when purchased, was 5 million, but the shipping cost was almost 500, so it went over 1,000.
So expensive. How many kilometers has it driven?
This car?
That's right.
Nearly 600,000 kilometers.
That much?
There's no other way. Batman saves the world. That's just how it was bought.
Where's the door handle on this?
The door handle is this simple, but you have to use both hands like this. The main feature is toughness. Is it really that tough? Can I go in now?
Sure, Xiaofeng already gave it. Go for it.
The exterior and interior of this car are the same. In one word, tough.
It has to be tough.
This is the odometer, tachometer, and oil temperature gauge. It has everything it should have.
This doesn't have what it doesn't have.
Aha, so this car, what is its engine displacement?
6.4 V8.
V8!
Yes, Batman is also a real man. He must drive a V8.
Yes, real men drive V8s. Brothers, can I take a look at this car's engine?
Okay, behind myself.
Is the engine at the back?
No, over here. Please look.
What? Can you handle the big V8 Batmobile? So wow, these tires, hey! Is this the exhaust?
Brother, this isn't the exhaust. The exhaust is up here.
Does this sound nice?
It must sound good. I can start it for you to listen now.
What are you thinking? Come on, the sound segment? Wow, haha!